Hello guys, welcome. Today in this video we will learn how to format code with Prettier extension in Visual Studio Code. So let's start. So I have created this HTML file in which we have this distorted code. So now we will arrange them and format them with Prettier. So for that, first I will come to this extensions, and here I'll search for Prettier. So as you can see, we have multiple Prettier extensions here, but make sure you install the Prettier by Prettier. The author name is also Prettier, so click on this, and now we will install this. It is by prettierrc.io, and it is installing now. It is installed. So I'll close this extension page as well as extensions. Now we will go to settings, and here we will click the settings, and here we will search for format, and we will click on this text editor, and here you can see we will check this format and save, and we will go down, and here we will select default formatter Prettier. So as you can see, we have multiple extensions here, but we will search for Prettier, and this is Prettier. So we will click this, and why it is not selected, I'll select it again. Now it is selected. Now I'll close the settings, and now here I will control S this file. Now you can see it is formatted. Now if I distort it again, and now if I control S it again, so it is formatted again. So in this way you can use Prettier extension in Visual Studio Code. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.